Everyone knows how to use Microsoft Office Word, but not everyone is aware of its hidden features. Hello and welcome to Daily Payday, where we find income-generating methods online to help you guys start on your feet even with zero capital. Today, I'll show you how to make up to $700 using Microsoft Office Word. If you like contents like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. You can also interact with us by typing in your comments or reactions on the box that you can find below. Smash that notification bell as well so you'll be notified every time we have a new upload. The method that I'm about to teach you is very easy, but you will get lost along the instructions, so I recommend that you don't skip any part of this video so you won't miss out on any important information that I'm about to discuss. If you're skeptical, you're the type who is extremely difficult to persuade. If I tell you that I know of an online income-generating method that involves using Microsoft Word, you will have a hard time believing me. So I challenge you to join me as I walk through a step-by-step process for making money online and utilizing the features of Microsoft Word to your advantage, which can help you earn up to $700. If you don't have another device to join me right now, then I strongly suggest that you try this method out right after you finish watching this video. This method is user-friendly and requires no prior experience, and it is also completely free. All you need is a working phone or laptop or desktop, as well as a reliable internet connection. Now, if you have everything that I have mentioned, let's jump right into it. Hiresign.com is a great place to look for freelance work. You can find a variety of online jobs here that you can do from the comfort of your own home or from anywhere in the world. This website is completely free, accessible from anywhere in the world, and offers a variety of payment options. When you visit their website, you'll be taken to their homepage, where you can scroll and navigate to learn more about them. But that's not important. We'll focus our attention on the top of their page, where it says Current Openings. That is the list of job categories to which you can apply. I recommend that you carefully follow my instructions so that you can earn money with far less effort than others. I need you to click on the typing jobs available online. After that, you'll be redirected to this page where you can learn more about Hiresign and its typing jobs by scrolling down. When you get to the bottom, there is a box with the text "Apply to become an online typist," and I need you to click on that. Now you'll be redirected to this page. Scroll down to find a box with the heading "Find a Job" and a red button that says Current Job Openings. To apply for the job that I'm about to teach you today, you must first click that red button. This page lists available jobs that may be of interest to you, such as typing jobs, proofreading jobs, paid surveys, graphic design, PowerPoint presentations, and more. I need you to concentrate on the proofreading job. You can see how much money you'll make per page here. They'll pay you for each page you complete. So the more pages you work on, the more money you'll make. The beauty of this job is that you can keep doing it until you no longer want to. The gist of this job is you will just simply check grammatical errors and the spelling of certain books or the like on this job, and no, you do not need to be an English wizard or have proofreading experience, because all you have to do is use Microsoft Word and the majority of your work will be done by a program. This proofreading job is a fantastic opportunity, especially for beginners like you who are looking for a way to earn some extra cash. Aside from that, because you'll be in charge of your own time, this job is extremely flexible. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them on the comment box down below. Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and smash on that notification bell so you'll get an update every time we have a new upload. Going back to Hiresign.com, after clicking the proofreading job link, you will be redirected to this page which states the application procedure. Now I'll walk you through the process of creating a free account. It'll be a little tricky at first, but if you stick with me and follow my instructions carefully, you won't get lost. I need you to scroll down this page until you see the steps on how to enroll, then click Submit a Job Application. This will take you to the form submission rules page, where you can scroll down and click Apply Now, which will take you to the online application form page. The common and necessary information that must be filled in can be seen here. As always, add in your primary email address so you can receive notifications there. Following that, you will see on the same page a select your notice period, and below it is a drop-down box, which I need you to select immediately so that those accepting your application know you are able to work and ready for it. Following this step will ensure that you will be able to secure the job in less than 24 hours. For the next question, which position do you desire? Choose proofreading jobs. Now choose your own country for the country selection and freelancer for the current work status. It is important to choose freelancer because it will increase your chances of landing job opportunities. Now on the brief yourself section of the application, I'll leave a tip for you so that you can get a spot on this website. When filling out this form, you must sell yourself in order for them to approve you directly. The way you deliver your message should be straightforward as to why you want the opportunity and that you're ready to work as soon as possible. Additionally, this message will reassure the client that you are capable of performing the tasks assigned. Put, "Rest assured that I will be able to deliver the outputs on time because I know that I am the type of person who does not tolerate tardiness," at the end of this message. After everything is done, all that's left now is to click on the register button and wait for your application to get accepted. Everything I've said so far is just the beginning. Let's say your application is approved and you're hired as a proofreader for HireSign.com. You'll receive a lot of files with grammatical errors and misspelled words, but Microsoft Word will automatically detect those errors and suggest how to correct them. As you can see in the example file, there are lines below the words that Microsoft Word has identified as having some kind of error, whether grammatically or spelling related. So if you see a line, simply click right on it to reveal the suggested words. You can keep going until you've eliminated all of the incorrect words or lines. Now I know that not every device has access to Microsoft Word and that Microsoft programs have been difficult to download and use since the upgrade of Windows laptops. Also, if you're currently using Mac OS and don't have access to Microsoft Office Word, I can recommend a website that does the same thing. This is a website that will check for grammatical errors and misspelled words on your behalf. It is called Reverse.net. This platform is an automatic spell checker that will check all of your files for grammar and spelling errors. Simply copy and paste all of the words from your file into this Reverso box, making sure to select US and UK in the Accept Spelling option. Then, to process the file, click this button. That's it for today. As I always say, you don't need to be fluent in English to be successful in proofreading. You simply need to take advantage of platforms that will do the work for you for free. The beauty of this process is that you can do it as many times as you want. The only thing that makes this process a little difficult is the application process and the waiting. After that, all you have to do is copy and paste, let the programs and platforms handle the rest, and bam, you're making money on the internet. If you like contents such as money making online, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video so that more videos like this will appear on your homepage. Also, click on that notification bell to get an update every time we have a new upload.